Years ago, when I was a student, we visited one of our teachers after a motor car accident, and he lost his legs. And he said, Alhamdulillah, I lost my legs. And I was young, and I thought, this man's making a mistake. He must be sedated because of the painkillers. He doesn't know what he's saying. He's saying, Alhamdulillah, I lost my legs. And someone said, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. He said, the reason I say Alhamdulillah is I have used these legs to walk to the masjid 5 times a day for the last 20 years. And I believe I tried my best, and inshallah I've succeeded never to use these legs to walk towards haram. That's when I was moved. I said, whoa, these are the people. Rijal. من المؤمنين رجال صدقوا ما عاهدوا الله عليه. From among the believers are those who have fulfilled their promise unto Allah.